students? What we learned in the last class? The poem, right? What is the poem topic? Second lesson, second poem. Occasion. What is mean by occasion? It means a job, occupation, work, or a profession, destination. We can say anything. Okay, who wrote this poem? Yes, who wrote? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, Rabindranath Tagore is a famous writer. Yes, famous writer. He is an Indian literary figures of all times. All times he is famous. And when he was born, 7 May 1861 in Kolkata. Rabindranath was born on Kolkata in 7 May 1861 and he is a poet, an author, songwriter, painter and a sculptor. He is a single-handed, he reshaped the Bengali literature and music, and his works are translated into variety of many languages. He was a Nobel Prize. He got the Nobel Prize in 1913 for collection of Geetanjali, right? Okay, we learned the poem, right? What we learned? Yes, when the gong sounds 10 in the morning, one boy is there, one child is there. He is just going to the school. On the way, on the lane, there is a bangle seller. He is selling his bangle and hawking, right? Yes, making some noise. Hawker. He is hawking bangles, crystal bangles, crystal bangles, like this. He is hawking and moving on through the opposite of that boy. At that time, he is thinking he has no time. He want to go this way or that way. He has no idea any way he can use. He can go any place, and also he has no time to finish his work. He can do his work when he want to do. Likewise, he is thinking, and also he is thinking, I want to become a, yes, what? I want to become a hawker. Then only I am able to sell the bangles, crystal bangles. Likewise, I am able to cry, like that. He is thinking. Yes, for related to the topic, first he is thinking to be a hawker, right? Yes. Next, what is the next destination he want to become? Now we are going to see. Now second stanza, when at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, when the time is 4, when the time is 4, the child is thinking, the child is coming from the school. After finishing the school, he is coming to the house. At that time, I can see through the gate of that house. I am seeing through the gate of the house the gardener digging the ground. What is mean by digging? Thondrathu. The gardener is digging. Okay, the gardener is digging the soil, digging the sand in the garden. He is seeing through the gate. The gardener is digging the sand, right? He does what he likes with his spade. He manvati. Spade means manvati. Yes, with that spade only we are able to take the soil, right? Yes, he also doing like that. He soils his clothes with dust, which means soils means dirties. Soils means dirties. If we take the soil and play means also we get dirty, right? Like that, he also soils his clothes with dust. He is digging the ground. At that time, all the soils are filling in his clothes and his clothes become dirty. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. He is doing his work and it becomes very the sun is very hot, so he get baked and gets wet. Yes, when we do some work means we gets wet, right? Wet means we are wet. Yes, we get wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. See here, the boy first what he thinks to become yes, he want to become a bangle seller. Yes, he want to become a bangle seller at first. Now he is thinking he want to become a what? Yes, he want to become a gardener, so that only you are able to dig that garden. Yes, next one, next stanza. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. Okay, after finishing all this work, now he is going to bed. His mother is asking, go and sleep. Like that, mother is asking. Now he is going to bed. At that time, I can see through my open window. In my room, there is a window that is open. And through that open window, I am seeing there is one man. Which man shall we see? Yes. Who is that? We can see. Open window, the watchman walking up and down. Yes, in the night, watchman will wake only, right? They can sleep or no? They can wake and walk up and down and around our house and around our street. Yes. Who any robbers are coming or that, like that they can watch. Yes, like this the watchman is walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely. Yes, the way is fully dark and nobody is there. That is full of dark and no one is there. In the night, how it look like? Very bright? No, it looked very dark, right? In the night, there is full of dark and there is no members, but the watchman alone walking up and down, he is walking. And the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head, which means there is a street lamp. Yes, in the street there is a lamp. Yes, that street lamp is standing. And that street lamp, one light is lightning. What color light is here? Yes, red color. Okay, red color light is red eye. Here denoted as red eye, but it is a red light. Okay, in its head. The watchman swings his lantern. What is mean by lantern? Lantern means vilakku. Okay, he has one lantern in his hand. He has one lantern and with that he is walking and walks with his shadow at his side. He is just having his lantern in his hand and just walks with his shadow at his side and never once go to bed in his life, and he never sleep in the night. That is the main thing here. Yes. His mother is ask him to go and sleep. Don't waste the time. Go and sleep. Then only you are able to get up early in the morning. Like that, his mother is saying. But watchman can always walk in the night. Yes, he not sleep now. Yes, he also thinking, I wish I were a watchman. What he is thinking? Yes, now I want to become a watchman. First, what he can think? He want to become a bangle seller. Then what he can think? Yes, he want to become a gardener, to dig the garden. Yes, and the last thing, what he want to become? Yes, he want to become a watchman. Walking the streets all night. All the night the watchman is walking, not sleeping. Chasing the shadows with my lantern. I also want to become a watchman. With that lantern, I want to chase my shadow. If we walk means our shadow will be there, right? Our shade will be there in the land, right? So, he also want to become a watchman and with that lantern he want to search the shadow, just want to play with the shadow. If there is shadow means then he want to do like this, then he just do like this, like this he want to play. Chase means just want to chase the shadow with the lantern. This is the poem. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Already we learned about Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, now let me see the rhythm of this poem. Yes. Okay, now let me sing a song from the begin, right? When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by a lane. Okay, come and join with me. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by a lane, every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road, crying bangles, crystal bangles. When at the 4 in the afternoon I come back from school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his cloth with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun and gets wet. I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings in his lantern and walks his with shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman, walking the streets all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, you can replay this poem and learn the rhythm of this poem. Okay, and yours today homework is, and in the first part I give the lines, right? You learn these lines. It is a memory poem. It is your homework today. I hope you understand this poem. Thank you, students.